enough about me and my background. Let's kind of dive in and get you guys into crypto because I think crypto, the way it's going, especially with Trump getting elected, it's going to continue to heat up. Yeah, we're going to have some pullbacks. It's a part of crypto. But I really think we're still early to crypto. It's just starting to kind of pick up um, some speed here. So yeah, 43 cents. I remember that holding till 5. Yeah. I was talking with, so I have a lot of connections in the crypto space and stock space, and I was talking with a couple of them, and they all had the same goal. They said XRP has enough utility to 20, 30 years down the road become $100, $200 coin. I got a unanimous decision on that. Everyone was like, the utility is there for XRP. And, it just needs some time. So we can kind of jump into the slideshow. I think we have enough people in here to kind of get it going here. So we're going to go over everything about how to set up a wallet and get comfortable with wallet. I'm going to be answering questions, everything, that you guys throw in there so that by the end of this, we feel very comfortable with using Phantom and kind of taking trades because I know it can kind of look confusing at first, but I'm going to kind of run through some things with you and kind of go from there. So that's the goal of this as we speak. And I want to stress it. We are not financial advisors, guys. I have to say it. We're just going to share kind of my experience and my personal opinions on whatever we talk about today. So we can dive right into it. Step one, you're going to want to download Phantom right here. I'm going to throw the link in here for all of you guys. Does everybody have Phantom downloaded? That's the question. If not, right there it is. You can download it for Chrome. I have mine right up here that you can just click on, view the wallets, all of that good stuff. But step one, download it. That's going to be number one. I don't know why it's not showing the pictures or anything. So we're going to do this. That's so weird that's not showing the pictures. Give me a minute. You know what? We're just going to do it this way for you guys. Because it shows it right here. You're going to want to download Phantom and open Phantom and click Create New Wallet. You can do it on mobile too. So I actually have the mobile app and on desktop. So whatever one I'm kind of doing, I could do it, have the chart up and be trading it here. Or, I'll have the chart up and then I could simply just click right here and trade. So this is my current holdings right now. SVJ, I'm down pretty much. Like this account was at 5K yesterday. And then I got my main account, right there that I'm trading cryptos with a little bit. But I kind of like having it up here because I can always click on it regardless of where I'm at. And then we'll get into kind of where to sell. But you're going to want to create a new wallet. So everybody, you can go download it on your phone or with a link up right up there. You can download it on your Chrome extension. Does everybody have it downloaded? Before we continue, I want to make sure we're all on that same page. Does everybody here have it downloaded? If you have it downloaded, throw a thumbs up. Perfect. Got it downloaded. Step one is hopefully complete as soon as we get everybody in here. Come on, everybody, thumbs up if you have it downloaded. Awesome. Yep, there we go. Okay, now if you don't have it downloaded, let me know so I can wait and kind of walk you through. We can wait for you. I don't want to leave anybody behind. Yep, so that's the next step. We're going to create a new wallet. Or if you already have a wallet, you can click that. If you already have one, you can just import it into whatever that account you've done. But I'm guessing all of you guys do not have a wallet yet. Perfect. Yeah, if you have any questions later when you're setting it up, DM me. Like I'm pretty free throughout the night. I could always help you. And then also I'm recording this. So I will also post this in wallet setup as soon as we're done as well, kind of walking everyone through it because we get a lot of questions of, trying to get people into crypto as much as possible the right way. So this will be recorded and thrown in. But if you don't already have a wallet, we're going to click create new wallet right here. Create your password. Go all about that. Today we're going to, as soon as we're done with wallet setup, we're going to go about taking trades, how to place trades, how to exit trades, how to, different softwares you can use to place trades. You don't have to solely go through there, but we'll get to that later in the lesson. So does everybody have their new wallet or imported their wallet? we're going to assume you guys do. Pretty easy step right here. We're going to go to right here. Set and secure a password and save your secure or secret recovery phrase in a secure place. So this is a time where it's going to give you 12 words. Make sure to write these down. This is your key to your wallet. If you ever lose your wallet, you can implement these codes to any other Solana-based wallet or any hardware wallet, and your coins will be there. So this is probably the most important part when you're creating your wallet. If you're into crypto, you understand that this is like the key to everything. This is the key to the world. So make sure you secure this. I personally normally save it in like 3 different places. I write it down, put it in a Ziploc bag, put it in my fireproof box, just in case anything happens. It's liquid proof, it is fireproof, all of that above. And then I also add it to a secret app that I have that you need a PIN code. It's on there. And then I also add it one other place. It's a very key part. If you lose these, you're cooked. Unless you have, obviously, like the ledger backup and stuff like that. But just know this is your most important part. As soon as you have these saved, you can hit continue. You're done. Finished. You have your wallet set up. Everyone's good with that. Are we all following so far? Am I missing anything? Any questions about setting your wallet up? Because it's short, to the point, then we can get into how to use it. Does everybody have it set up and understand your recovery codes are very important? I'll give you guys some time. Excuse me. Give you guys some time to save those recovery codes. Yeah, do you guys want to see mine? I could show you mine. A little walkthrough, live walkthrough, where I show you my 12 codes and where they're at. Awesome. Is there anybody still working on this? I just want to make sure we don't move on. Is everyone saving these in a private place for you to find? No one else? Next one is placing in funding your wallet, because that's the next step. Is now we have to get money into this wallet so that you can take trades and go from there. So hopefully everyone from the last step is good. I'm going to wait a little bit longer, 1 more minute for you guys to kind of catch up here. I only see 2 thumbs up. In the last one we had like 10. So I'm going to wait for more thumbs up as soon as you guys are done. Awesome. There it is. All right, perfect. We'll move on. Now to fund your wallet. This is where it gets fun. You don't have to fund it with a lot. It's totally personal preference. I personally funded my wallet with $500. It is now close to about $18,000 in about a couple weeks trading with that. This is my like fun money in a sense. It's where I'm investing and you know, kind of trying to grow it and take it from 500 to see what I can do with it. So it's totally up to you. You can invest it with $100, $1, whatever the heck you want. $1 is not enough, so scratch that. That wouldn't even cover gas fees, which we'll get into in another lesson. But step 1, you're gonna want to hit buy right here. Then you're gonna want to go to Solana, and then the amount of SOL that you want to buy, which is Solana. And then you can do credit and debit card. I personally did credit card. I got the points. I'm just that type of guy. I don't know why. Like, I use credit card for everything just to get the extra points. You could fund it through a bank, ACH transfer, a wire, anything you're comfortable with. I just like credit or debit. You can click right here and look at all the fees for the credit card. At the time of my screenshot, it was Robinhood was the cheapest place to use the credit card. I think when I funded this account, it was through Stripe, if I remember. So you can click right here, see the examples, and then all you do is hit buy. That's it. You could fund this with however much you want. Again, I did 500 to start, kind of to get into the day trading of cryptos or the swing trading of cryptos rather than long-term investments. So I'll give you guys some time to kind of add some funds to your wallet. As soon as you guys are done, come back here and put a thumbs up in the chat so I can know when to continue. Dang, you guys quick with it. There you go. Awesome. Don't lie. You guys already had funds in there. You guys aren't that quick. You guys already had funds. All right. Yeah. Yeah, I already knew exactly. All right, perfect. Thumbs up. Again, this will be later if you ever kind of run into troubles. You hit buy, Solana, whatever way you want to buy it right here. Then you hit buy. Once that's done, now it's placing a trade. Now, when I first dove into this, there's two ways. You can do it through swapping tokens on Solana, or you can use a DEX method, which DEX Screener, as you guys all know what that is, we all use it. You can actually trade through it. Yep, reinforcements. Okay, so yeah, there's two options: swapping tokens through Phantom, which we just set up. It's easy, it's convenient. You already have an account, it's right there. Or you can hook that wallet up to kind of like a software like DEX Screener. This is the one we picked today since majority of you I see out there use it and you guys take screenshots using it. So I threw it in here. It has more tokens on the blockchain. Trade rates. There's a couple other, good ways to go about this. I personally use another option. I don't use swapping tokens through Phantom unless I'm on the road and I'm like, heck with it, and I'm right there. Most of the time, if I'm on my desktop, I use Photon or DEX Screener. Those are the two I kind of use the most, and it's pretty easy. We'll walk through kind of the steps for both ways, but first we're going to go into taking a trade on Phantom. Right here, you're going to click the swap icon, and we're going to show pictures after this, but you're going to click the swap icon right up here. If you look, it's right there. You're going to hit swap, and then you're going to want to choose the token. Let's say I'm trading Santa Hat. That's the one we've been, trading, and let's say I want to buy some Santa Hat. I'm going to put in 2 SOL. You pick how much SOL you want to pay. It shows you how much you're going to receive of Santa Hat. You're going to see the dollar amount, all of that good stuff, and then you're going to hit review order. It's not going to go through yet until you look right through here. Provider, price, you can see the fees you're going to pay, the price impact, the slippage that you have set, and then all you do is hit swap. I'm not going to buy any more at this current time, but that is exactly how you do it on Phantom. So another way that you can do it is, watch, I'll pull up DEX Screener here. And we're going to go to, let this load. We're going to go to, let's do Santa's hat again. Right there. So what you can do, this is Santa's hat, the one we just had pulled up. You can come to right up here. Besides Santa's hat, you're going to see this little copy thing. It's the code. So you can go ahead and copy that. And then you're going to go over to Phantom, again, where we were just going to take trades. And you're going to hit swap. Or you can hit down here. It's the same thing. Swap's right there. You're going to come over to here, and this is where you're going to paste it. You're going to paste it. And that code is just this one specific token code. And you're going to click right there, because that's the code. So if you see codes popping up in the Discord and stuff of what we're trading and what we're watching, that is how we found it right there. You're going to copy it, move it over to your Phantom wallet, and you're going to paste it right in here to make sure that you're trading the right coin, because there are multiple duplicates of coins sometimes, and it's kind of hard to find. So all we do is we copy that specific coin code, paste it in here for you guys, so you can just do that. And then again, you'll pick how many you want to buy of that coin that you just pasted in. And then same thing when you're searching coins. So you can copy it there, and let's say we're searching a coin in here. You just paste that code in, and then it's going to come up with the one that matches that code, and then you got it right here. Does everybody understand that? Does that make sense to everybody? Any questions about that before we move on? So I keep slippage at 15%. I think 15% is more than enough. Sometimes if it's very, very volatile, I'll kind of switch to 20%. 20% is the max I'll go. But most of the time, I think I've never really switched it to 20 except for maybe one time when we were trading Mario because it was really high. But I keep it at 15. Any other questions, guys? It's a good question. I know most other crypto traders also keep it at 15. I know Smutton does. I know Jimmy does. Jason. We're all pretty much on the same wave with that. Any other questions, guys? Or give me a thumbs up if you're ready to move on. Here's the picture showing how you do it. Again, for everybody watching later, you're going to hit swap. It's going to take you to this page. You put how much SOL you want in, pick the coin, and then you review order, and then finish your swap right there. Perfect. Awesome. Now goes on to the part where I think is the easiest. I kind of like this method better using Dex Screener. So you're going to open a Solana compatible Dex, which Dex Screener is right here. As you see, you're going to want to sign in. So there's my email. Go ahead, take it, whatever you want to do. Send me emails. But there is my login. And then all you're going to want to do is hit like buy something, and it's going to pop up that you need to sync your Solana wallet with it. And then you can. And that's how you kind of go through that. But again, you're going to want to open it up, connect Phantom to the DEX, and then obviously it's the same process. So once it's hooked up and we're on Santa Hat here, again, same way, you can copy it, the code's right here, or if we ever throw the codes in there, that's how we get them. You come over here to search, you paste it in here, it's going to come up with the one that matches, and then you can use this right here. Let's say we want to buy some, and you want to do 2 SOL right here. You can set your slippage at whatever you want. Whoa, a little bit too much there. 15% slippage, and then again, you got to connect your wallet. So that's what it's going to come up right there, guys. And then you're going to want to connect your wallet, and then you're ready to trade using Dex Screener. Because I know a lot of you guys use this to look at crypto, so it might not hurt. You might be comfortable with this software specifically. So you might just want to connect your wallet, but then I still know some people like to just go to Phantom here. Sometimes they like to just keep it all on Phantom. They just swap coins. When I first got into cryptos, this is what I did. And then probably about a half a year to a year ago, I realized, okay, I'm going to switch to, a DEX software where I can trade off of. It has better charts. You can watch the charts while trading, which I love. Being a stock trader, I love that. You can kind of look through, wallets, orders, and then, you can click on the wallet, see more about them while you're trading right here. Personal preference, that's just what I do. I know a lot of other traders that do it. I kind of seeked counsel on this about a year ago, and then found a couple good ones. Photon's another good one that I use personally. That's the main one I use, and then I'll use this on an occasion. But again, put your slippage at 15, whatever you're comfortable with, but I recommend 15, and then you'll just pick the number right there, and that's pretty it. Any questions on that? Does that make sense to people? Which one do you prefer of me sharing it? Which one makes sense to your brain already? Can you guys throw in the chat which one you guys think you're going to use? Or which one you currently use. That's another way. What's one you currently use, or what's the one that you really want to use and makes the most sense to you? Yeah, Dex. I like Dex. I think, Phantom's cool and all as a wallet, but to trade from it, I don't like how you can't control much. It's not very customizable. Now this is you can get crazy into this. Go to the settings, mess around with it, but you can see more on one screen, which I like, opposed to having it like this, or you could full screen it like that and have it pulled up right here. I don't know. It's just a little easier for me just to have it like this. I don't know. Personal preference again. I know people that make millions using Phantom and solely Phantom or another wallet. I know Solfair is another one that people use a wallet and they'll just trade from that. I have a wallet in there, but I just like Phantom more. It updated quicker, which I liked. But that is it for this one. Now, security tips. Because you guys are all new to crypto, there's a lot of scams out there. And that's just something you guys have to learn and understand, that people are going to impersonate me. They're going to impersonate Jimmy, impersonate Jason, AJ, Smutton, all of us. They're going to DM you and say, oh, I can invest money and I am really good at it. Send me your crypto and I'll trade for you. Don't listen to it. It's just a big scam. It's people out there just fishing for coins, because as soon as you send your crypto to somebody, there's no getting that back. And that's something you have to understand. Make sure you confirm before you send crypto to somebody, you confirm exactly their address, pen for pen, because once you send that, it's gone forever. So we're going to get into the first one, secret recovery phrase. Again, that's why I said it's very, very important that you keep this stored safely, because let's say I lose access to my wallet somehow. Let's say I only have Phantom on my laptop. My laptop falls in a lake somehow on a boat because I'm making millions trading crypto, and I'm on my yacht. My laptop falls in. Oh no, that's the only place I had my recovery codes, and I don't have a Phantom account, nothing. It's all gone. It's done. But if you have those secret recovery phrases saved somewhere else, you can implement that into any wallet out there. Any wallet out there. Hard wallet, cold wallet, whatever you want, you can implement it in there, and you have all of your coins on that wallet. That is like the key to your wallet. Regardless of what platform you use, those 12 secret recovery phrase is your wallet and the key to everything. Does that make sense to everybody? Like, do you understand how important these 12 codes are? Can everybody throw a thumbs up for me? Just so I understand, you guys know that this is the key to your wallet. I can take these 12 recovery codes, put them into Solflare, and trade on that Solflare wallet with these 12 same codes. I hope that makes sense, because I know a lot of people get confused with the 12 codes and they're like, what is this? This is new to me. That's your key to your wallet. So next one is Jimmy. Fake accounts asking for money, just like we said. So there's going to be people out there, like I said, impersonating people like us or people you follow, asking for crypto because they are so good at trading crypto. So understand that there are so many fake people out there. We will never DM you first saying, oh my gosh, I am crazy good at investing. Like, send me some Sol, or send me some Ethereum or Bitcoin, and I'll invest that money for you. Never gonna happen. Never. Like, I will never do that, and I know anybody on the PC Advisor staff will never do that. We're here to help you, not take your money and invest it. Yes, we have a hedge fund for the stock markets, nothing to do with crypto. We have a full certified hedge fund. We are not going to DM you asking you to send me Ethereum to invest. It's not going to happen. We have a full process that you got to go through for our hedge fund. We are never going to DM you. Yeah, Caramel Delight loves Solflare. I liked it a lot, but it delayed slower than Phantom, so I couldn't really. It took me a while to kind of like update it. So I went back to Phantom personally. I've tried both. Blowfin's another good one. I don't know, Caramel Delight, if you've tried that one. I like Blowfin, Photon, and Dex. Those are all pretty good ones. But Solflare is more of like a Phantom comparison. But again, hope you like my picture of Jimmy right here, just scamming everybody, because it's an impersonation of Jimmy. It's not actually him. He's a great dude. So that's not his whole goal, is to scam you. This is just somebody impersonating Jimmy, and I thought it was funny. Last one, I got a lot of questions for this before this lesson, is use a hardware wallet for large holdings. So my main crypto holdings are on a Ledger. I use Ledger. I did a lot of research. Some people think, oh, it's not a total hard wallet. I think you're fine. But I personally use a Ledger. You can use any other hardware wallet out there for all of your large holdings. But I'm not going to be day trading on a hard wallet. That's just not going to happen. So this is more for your large, long-term holdings that you really don't want to have access to every single day throughout it. But the reason why I got this is literally this keeps your wallets totally private. A hardware wallet keeps it private, offline, really making them, exactly like it says here, immune to online attacks. Like, it is borderline impossible to hack a hardware wallet unless obviously you plug it into somewhere or you give away those 12 secret recovery phrases. Yeah. So what wallets do you use, Caramel Delight? I liked Phantom the best out of the ones I tried personally. It's really easy to pick up on too for beginners. As you get heavier into crypto, everyone you are going to have your own opinions on what wallets to use, which ones not to use, which ones you like, which ones you don't like. Um, is there any questions though about a hard wallet? Because this is something you're not going to want to have for day trading. It's something that you're going to really put your long term money into and not look at and really keep it safe. I forget where I put mine. Probably not a good sign, but somewhere on my desk here. But regardless, if I lose this hard ledger and I have those 12 secret recovery phrase, I can still have access to all of my crypto. So just because you have that ledger doesn't mean you can just throw away your recovery phrases and just kind of move on. Yeah. Are you saying Coinbase is hard to get in and get out? Or are you saying a hard wallet? Which one? Sorry. Coinbase wallet. I don't like Coinbase. So when I first got into crypto, I tried it and I tried everything. I'm someone that just tests everything, sees what I like, see what I don't like. I did not like it at all. Yeah, it had good user face, but you are exactly right with that. It is so hard to move things around. No, I would not personally. Things could still get hacked in the cloud. It's literally out in the air. What I do is I put it on a physical piece of paper and I store that paper three different places. That's what I do. I don't put those codes anywhere else. I store them on a physical piece of paper. But again, I'm the type of person that just wants to protect everything. Again, I don't think having it in your notes is bad. I know a lot of people do that. I used to do that. I might still have an old wallet on there. Even like I might have this day trading one. I don't have my long term one anywhere on a phone. Nothing. It's all physical. But I think I have this day trading account. These two day trading accounts. Both of them I think I have somewhere on my phone because I'm not really. If I lose the 18 grand, it's whatever. I just don't want to lose my large crypto holdings that I have. So that's kind of the reason I do that. I don't think if you don't have a lot, I don't think you need a hardware wallet. In all honesty, I think that's good for long term in large amounts. Yeah, I'm the type of person. I don't know the correct one. I don't like having my information out there in the air. That's just kind of the person I am. Um, Especially in the iCloud. Apple is one of the most secure places out there, but it could still be leaked or something could happen. Again, it depends on how much money we're talking. To me, do I have my $18,000 account leaked out there in my iCloud or on my, you know, notes or something like that? Yeah, absolutely. Because, it's, I'm not saying it's not much to me. It's a lot, but again, it's not as much as like my large account that I keep sending money to. That's the one I really want to keep kind of safe and off grid. So regardless of what happens, I'm covered. Then I can sleep at night knowing, hey, everything's okay. I don't have to be kind of worrying. All right, any questions at all? It's Q&A time. This is where you guys can ask me anything. It could be anything we just talked about, any of my experiences, anything about crypto, whatever. We got the next 15 minutes to go over questions. If you don't have anything, that's okay. We can just chat. Like that's what I'm here to do. I'm here to hang out, answer some questions. We really want to get into more education as a team of profit chasers. I know if any of you here are in our stock side, we go very, very heavy in education because the okay, how hard is it to turn crypto to USD? Not hard at all. I normally send it to crypto.com and send it to my bank. You need 100,000? Yeah, let me just wire you 100,000 real quick. Are you gonna invest it for me? All right. Any other questions, guys? Let's see it. Yeah, I don't know, Carmel. Like, what do you go to? I normally keep my crypto in crypto, but there's been occasional times that I go to. I know people say Coinbase or Crypto.com are the two most popular. When I took a poll a while back, send me the code. I'll pull it up for you guys. Oh, you send them to Robinhood? Is that the one you like most? Um, yeah, send me the code for the one you want me to pull up. I'll pull it up for you guys. Um, I like looking at market cap as well over here instead of price. It's just who I am, okay? Tax is easy too. Yeah. Yeah, that's when you get taxed. Is when you withdraw. Honestly, whenever I withdraw my crypto, I'll be in Puerto Rico or somewhere outside the US for 6 months out of the year. So that's my thing. Because, again, I trade stocks and crypto. Both of those are taxed very high. So when I withdraw my money, how I pay my bills right now is I don't withdraw any of that stuff. I own businesses that pay my bills, kind of the bare minimum. So I'm getting taxed the bare minimum. And then I'm kind of just building my long term wealth. That's kind of the goal, is to build a large cushion, because in a couple years, Jason and I already have a plan. Jason, myself, and Jimmy, we're gonna go get mansions side by side in another country for 6 months out of the year. Claim that as our residence, so we don't get taxed as heavy, and then we'll be back here for 6 months out of the year. I'm gonna be completely honest with you. I would, really depends what you want to do. You could always transfer it to USD coin, or you could transfer it. I know, like, me and Jason, Jimmy, AJ. It's funny, when we all met up, we were all talking about like what we do personally. I personally transfer it to like Solana, Bitcoin, Ethereum, something like that. But what Jason, Jimmy, and AJ all do is they transfer it to USD coin. So that's what they do. I'm a little different. I'm just kind of like, this is money. I'm cool with kind of investing into other coins. I kind of split it up between what I'm looking at. Again, we're gonna get ready to start swinging mid to large cap crypto. So we might call out a play and be like, hey, Cardano, Solana, XRP, Bitcoin, any of those, we might be like, okay, we're seeing a really good movement here. We're gonna long this for the next X amount of days. I might just transfer, the coins into those if I know that what I'm seeing is we're gonna see a good reversal here to the upside, downside, whatever we're doing, and then I'll kind of make my judgment off of that. So I kind of look to what I'm gonna swap it with and see exactly, are we at the dead top? Yeah, I probably won't transfer it to there because I'm only asking to lose some, because in everything there's always pullbacks. It's natural. Yeah, I want to travel and trade. Yeah, that's kind of the goal. I've only been traveling and trading, like, this is still my residence, but Jason and I try to go on a vacation once every quarter or twice a quarter together. Um, Jimmy actually came on our last one.